Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Notchmods here. Recently I have been working on quite a few side projects here and there, and I discovered how to make several basic games with code. But today we are going to make a basic rock paper scissors game with Python. This is going to be a series where I make a few tutorials on how to make a basic game. Enough chatting, time to start. Firstly, you need to open up Python idle. Once you've opened up idle, all you need to do is just to import random. This allows the random function to be used later. Then declare the play score and enemy score as a variable. Then use a while statement to make the game run forever. Alright, now create an input and put them in a variable type in rps equals to input brackets quotation mark. Write whatever you want in the brackets. Now we will have to detect whether the trigger phrases are being used or not. By using the if method under the input, you'll check whether the phrase from the input matches the one that you want, else they will print out whatever you want. Now under the if statements, you want to define a variable for the outcome. Outcome equals to random.rand int brackets 1, 3. Alright, so what this does is that it selects a random number between 1 and 3, and it does. Now we have to assign an integer to rock, paper and scissors. For rock we will assign them as 1, for paper we will assign them as 2, and for scissors we will assign them as 3. Alright, so here's the rules for the rock paper scissors game. Paper beats rock but gets cut by scissors. Scissors beat paper but loses to rock, and rock beats scissors but loses to paper. Now that we have considered the rules, we'll have to write them out in code with if statements. So I write under paper, if outcome equals to 3, then print out you have won. If outcome equals to 2, then print out you have lost. If outcome equals to 1, then print out you have draw against your opponent. Under the if equals to 3 statement, write score equals to score plus 1, and under if outcome equals to write enemy score, write score equals to score plus 1. Also, you could choose to display a score if you want, or display it when the user types in the trigger phrases. Now repeat the process on the other trigger phrases. Now let's test it out. If you want the code for this game, then I have created a GitHub page. Please visit it, links in the description below. That is it guys, I hope you all enjoy. Please stay tuned for more tutorials.